Jaya Radha Madhava Jaya Kunja Bihari Jaya Radha Madhava Jaya Kunja Bihari Jaya Radha Madhava Jaya Kunja Bihari Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha Jaya Girivaradari 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 Yashodanandana Vraja Jana Ranjana Yashodanandana Vraja Jana Ranjana Yashodanandana Vraja Jana Ranjana Yashodanandana Vraja Jana Ranjana Yamuna Tira Vanachari Yamuna Tira Yamuna Tira Vanachari Jaya Kunja Bihari Yamuna Tira Vanachari Jaya Kunja Bihari Jaya Radha Madhava Jaya Kunja Bihari Jaya Radha Madhava Jaya Kunja Bihari Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha Jaya Girivaradari Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha Jaya Girivaradari Jaya Gurudeva Jaya Gurudeva Gurudeva Jaya Gurudeva
You bring this in Jagannath Puri?
Yes.
This mridang?
We also have another one we just bought. We'll bring two. She just bought, Rani Didi just bought one Mridanga, so that one will also come to Jagannath Puri.
Two. And you have gum?
Yes, we have gong.
Where is that?
Gong, I go get it. It's in my room.
You bring Jagannath Puri?
Yes, we'll bring for Jagannath Puri. It's in the room. It's your gong, good.
All the mine.
Right, спасибо.
इसके सामने ये क्या है?
Two, the one.
दो रख दे। हाँ?
Right, спасибо.
Keep it in front.
ठीक हो?
Was on front.
आज आए नहीं सारा दिन। Sound is going back or not? Did you listen? उन लोग के सुनाई नहीं पड़ रहे बोले। You are listening or not? हरी बोल, who did not listen? ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्ध्रस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ओम वृंदावै तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्तवत्यै नमो नमः। भक्ता विहीना अपराधलक्ष्यै सिद्धाश्च कामादितरङ्गमार्गै कृपामयि त्वां शरणां प्रपन्न वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दम्। भजामि राधाम् अरविन्दनेत्रं स्मरामि राधां मधुरस्मितस्तं वदामि राधां करुणावराद्रा ततो ममान्नास्ति गतिर्न कापि। श्यामसुन्दर शिखण्डशेखर स्मेरहास मुरली मनोहर राधिका रसिकमं कृपानिधि सप्रिया चरण किङ्करीं कुरु। संविददशनेत्रिणं विभो प्रार्थये भजवन्दनन्दन अस्तु मोहन तवाति वल्लभ जन्म जन्मने श्रीमधीश्वरी प्रियम्। प्राणनाथ विषभानन्दिनी श्रीमुखाब्ज रसलूलसटपद राधिका पदतले कृतस्थितिं तं भजामि रसिकेन्द्रशेखर। वंशी विभूषितकरान्नवनीरदाभात् पीताम्बरादरुण बिम्बफलादृष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परमतत्त्वं किमपि अहं न जाने। न वैयाचिराज्यं न च माणिक्यं न विवं न जाचं ब्रह्मं सकलजनकामं वरवधूं मे सदा काले काले प्रमोदवती न गीतचरितो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे। जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे। हा देवी काकुभर गदगदयाद्वाचा जाचनी पत्तिभुवि दण्डवदुर्भुटार्थे अस्य प्रसादमबुदस्य जनस्य कृत्वा
गंधर्विके निजगणे गणनां विदे अंगश्यामलविछटा मन्दे कितेन्द्रीवरं जड्डं जाचु गुरुरुचिशं पट्टम्बरश्रियं वृन्दारण्यनिवासमिदुलसद्धामदिदामोदरं राधास्कन्दनिविसलोज्जलो भुजं ध्यायं सुदामोदरम् श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे. So first of all, I offer my humble respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Gurupad Padmo, Nitya Lila, Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila, Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satsrimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Lila, Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtotara Satsrimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gauraganda Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakha Siddhar Goswami Bhakti Puri Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis and presented all of my respectful guests. So yesterday I also discussed about the magnanimity of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and those are devotees of also Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. कल हमने आप लोग के निकट महाप्रभु की औदार्यता और उनकी भक्तों की कैसे दीनता औदार्यता इसके बारे में आप लोग के लिए मैंने प्रस्तुत किया था. इसके बारे में मैंने कुछ बताया था. Those who are the devotees of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, how they are very humble. They have no own selfishness, own interest. उन लोग के अपने कोई स्वार्थ नहीं है. They serve to the devotees. How the living entities deliver from this material world and attain to abode of Lord. यही तो ही है भक्त की जो सेवा आदि करते. सेवा की तात्पर्य क्या है? सभी लोग कैसे भगवत धाम में चले जाए. Yesterday I gave many examples to you. Those who are the devotee of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, how they are very humble and servicing to you. But how to progress our bhajan and sadhan? This is very important. Sadhu Sangha, Shraddha, first Sadhu Sangha. Though Rupa Goswami Pad has written in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu the sequence of our bhajan and sadhan. Adu Shraddha, Tato Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anarthuri, Nishta, Ruchi, Asukti, Bhav and Prem. This is the sequence. But Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explain Adu, what is that? Sadhu Sangha. First, you have to associate sadhu. Though Rupa Goswami Pad has written Adu Shraddha, first Shraddha. But here Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explain no Adu Sadhu Sangha, associate sadhu. Because without the association sadhu, and any method, Shraddha will not manifest in your heart. Sadhu Sangha बिना आपके हृदय में श्रद्धा तक उत्पन्न नहीं होगी. इसलिए साधु संघ की महिमा सर्वत्र वर्णन किया गया. साधु संघ सर्वशास्त्रे कय लव मात्र साधु संघ सर्वसिद्धि. Sadhu Sangha is important. Isn't it? For this Guru Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami in Chaitanya Charitamritam and explain the 5 limbs of bhakti also there. First bhakti, that is called Sadhu Sangha. Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan, Bhagavad Shravan, Mathuravaas, Srimurti Shraddha Sevan, Sakal Sadhan Seshta, Pancher Alpa Sangha, Krishna Prem Janmay, Pancher Alpa Sangha. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also explained Sadhu Sangha. First, Sadhu Sangha. Then, Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan. You have to chant holy names with Sadhu. Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan. Bhagavad Shravan. You have to listen Srimad Bhagavatam from the lips of Sadhu. Avaishnava Mukhodgirna Bhuto Harikatam Mritam Shravanam Naiva Kartabang Sarpachishta Jatha Paya. It is Srimad Bhagavad is sweet nectar, Amrit. So why not we listen Bhagavad Katha from non-devotee? For this regard, in this verse, Sanskrit verse Padma Puranam, explain, if you listen Srimad Bhagavad Katha from the lips of non-devotee, that means you are drinking the poison. Give an example, if you drink the milk, you will be healthy. But same milk contaminated with the snake poison, then you will be die. In the same way, Vaishnava Mukhod Girnam Puta Harikatham Mritam. You don't listen Srimad Bhagavad Katha from the lips of non-devotee, Vaishnava. Vaishnava Mukhod Girnam Puta Harikatham Mritam Sravanam Naiva Kartama Sarpashishta Jathapaya. So Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sangha Bhagavad Shravan, that means you have to listen Bhagavad Katha from the lips of Buddha Bhakta. Bhagavad Shravan. Mathura Vas. Mathura Vas means you have to stay in Braj. Brajvas. Here Mathura Vas means you have to stay in Braj. Brajamandal Vas. Tishtan Braje. Rupa Goswami Pad, in his nectar of instruction, what did he say? Tannama Rupa Charitadi Sukirtananu Smrito Kramena Rasana Manosi Nijojam Tishtan Braje Tadanuragi Jananugami Kalangane Dakilam Itta Upadesa Saram. Very nice, beautiful, sweet verse. Rupa Goswami Pad, he told, this is the essence of all my nectar of instruction. Tannama Rupa Charitadi Sukritananu Smrito. You have to chant Lord's sweet names, Nam Rup Gun Lila. Sri Krishna Gopala Hare Mukunda Govinda He Nanda Kishora Krishna Ha Sri Jasoda Tanaya Prasida Sri Vallavi Jivan Radhikesa Sri Krishna Gopala Hare Mukunda Govinda He Nanda Kishora Krishna Ha Sri Jasoda Tanaya Prasida Sri Vallavi Jivan Radhikesa Sri Krishna Gopala Hare Mukunda Govinda He Nanda Kishora Krishna Hasi Jasoda Tanaya Prasida Sri Vallavi Jiva. That means you have to chant Lord's all sweet names, Madhurya Yukta Nam. Try to understand, Lord has 2 kinds of names. One is called Aisarja Yukta name. That name related with Krishna's opulence pastimes. That is called Narayan, Vishnu, Jagadishwar. That name related with Krishna's opulence pastimes. Jagat Karta. He is the supreme controller of the universe. That is called Jagat Karta. Jagadishwar. This. Or another name that is called Madhurya name. Madhurya name, that name related with Krishna's sweet Braj pastimes. This is Samsundar, Madan Mohan, Vrindavan Chandra, Ras Bihari. When you chant Krishna's Ras Bihari name, then automatically your heart stimulates with the Krishna Ras Lila Katha. Ras Bihari, that means Krishna, he performed Ras Lila with the Gopis. So there the Tannam Rupaja Sukratanan Smito Kamino Rasana Manusha Tistan Braje. There Bogosai Pad emphasis this word Tistan Braje. That means you have to stay in Braj. Tistan Braje. Tadanuragi, Tad Anuragi. Those who are absorbed with the mood of Braj, Braj Bhav, you have to stay with that devotee. Tadanu Jananugami. Those are eternal associate of Krishna. You have to follow their mood. Tadanuragi Jananugami Kalam Nae Dakhilam Ittapadi Sasaram. So Brajavas. Understand? And Rupa Goswami Pad Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu very clearly explain these things also. Tannamur which is together. Then Sadhu Sangha, Namsangha, Sanktaram, Bhagavad Savan, Mathura Vas, or fifth, Srimurti, Shraddha Shivan. And you have to worship the deities with firm faith. As like our Goswamis. They also worship the Thakurji deities. As like Rupa Goswami Pad, he worshipped, what the deity's name? Radha Govinda Dev. Sanatana Goswami Pad, he worshipped his deities, that is called Radha Madan Mohan. In this way we see all our Goswamis, they also worship their deities with firm faith. So Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan, Bhagavad Sravan, Mathura Vas, Srimurti, Shraddha Shravan. Sakal Sadhan Seshta, Pacher, all Pasanga. Krishna Prem Janmai Pache, all. This is very important. And Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan, Bhagavad Sravan, Mathura Vas, Srimurti, Shraddha Shravan. Even Srila Vishaya, what is his name? Rupa Goswami Pad explained, Shraddhastu dure opi panchaka parsake, bhava janmoke. Even you have no Shraddha to about these 5 types of bhakti, but anyhow you touch among of these bhaktis, then you attain to bhava janmoke, you attain to bhava dasha. यदि आपके हृदय में श्रद्धा भी नहीं हो, ये 5 प्रकार के भक्ति के अंग किसी प्रकार से एक बार आपके स्पर्श हो जाए, जैसे साधु संग, नाम संकीर्तन, भागवत श्रवण, मथुरा वास, ये 5 प्रकार के संग जो भक्ति के अंग बिना श्रद्धा से ही यदि आप जजन करें, संपर्क करें, देखो क्या होगा, कहाँ चले जाओगे, भाव उत्पन्न हो जाए. बोले हाउ पॉसिबल? Who has no Shraddha? Because Bhakti's first anga is what? What is the first limbs of Bhakti? Shraddha, Adu Shraddha. But he has no Shraddha. So how possible he will attain the Bhav? Yesterday, actually, I also discussed this point. Bhav come in which stage? First Shraddha, Sadhu Sangha, Bhajanapya, Anarthamriti, Nistha, Ruchi, Asakti and Bhavadosha. And yesterday I also discussed 3 types of bhakti. Sadhana bhakti, bhav bhakti and prema bhakti. You remember what did I say? Yesterday I told this. Sadhana bhakti, shraddha to asakti, that is called sadhana bhakti. Kruti saddha, bhavet saddha, sa sadhana vidha, nitya siddhasya bhavasya prakattam hridi sadhate. This aim and object of the sadhana bhakti, two things. Understand? साधन भक्ति के 2 लक्ष्य है. साधन भक्ति के पहले क्या होगा, कैसे हम हृदय में सीधा से मैल को निकाल दें. मैल समझते हो, डस्ट को, एज लाइक वॉशिंग मशीन. You put your cloth in washing machine what it is? व्हाट इज कॉल्ड, स्पिनिंग करते हैं ना, है? और सारे गंदगी को निकालते रहते पानी से, वाह वाह वाह। देखा कि नहीं देखा, है? सारे गंदगी को निकालते हैं। तो उसी प्रकार साधन भक्ति के पहले क्या करते हैं, ये सारे हमारे हृदय के जितने जो अनर्थ जो है, ये अनर्थ को क्या करते हैं, निकालते, इसमें अनर्थ निवृत्ति कर देते हैं। साधन भक्ति दिस इज डन। So that means, or simultaneously another is that how to attain the one the sprinkle mood of the Brajavasis. So saying in these verse, Sanskrit verse, the definition of sadhana bhakti, kriti saddha bhavet saddha sa sadhana vidha nitya siddhasya bhavasya prakattam hridi sadhate. This one. So that means Shraddha to Asakti, that is called sadhana bhakti. Then yesterday I told third stage, that is called, next is called bhava bhakti. How will attain to bhav? Yesterday I told bhav, according your sadhana, you cannot attain to bhav. भाव कैसे प्राप्ति होगा बताओ? हाँ, भूल गया, राधा कुंड में जाकर भूल गया साहब, सब गोपी बन गई, राधे राधे कर दिया। क्या बोला? साधन भक्ति कैसे प्राप्त, साधन भाई भाव भक्ति कैसे प्राप्ति होगी? ये से कृपा सिद्ध, कृपा साध, and bhav will manifest by the mercy of Krishna and Krishna Bhakta. भाव जब हमारे हृदय में उत्पन्न होगा भगवान अथवा भगवान भक्त की कृपा से। तो इस संदर्भ में मैंने ये भी बताया था, ये तीन प्रकार के भगवान के भक्त होता है, कनिष्ठ अधिकारी भक्त, मध्यम अधिकारी भक्त, उत्तम अधिकारी भक्त। कनिष्ठ अधिकारी हम कृपा नहीं कर सकते हैं, ये समस्त कथा हम काल आलोचना है। उत्तम अधिकारी भी कृपा नहीं कर सकते है। कौन कृपा करेगी? मध्यम अधिकारी, बिकॉज मध्यम अधिकारी क्वालिफिकेशन, and neophyte devotee cannot give mercy to us. Even the uttam adhikari, he will not give mercy because he always absorbs how to serve to Krishna and very humble. If you ask Uttam Bhagavat, give me mercy, he will be say, when I will receive, then I will give you. I saw in my Gurudev, Vaman Krishna, if you say, Gurudev, kripa karo, Gurudev, when I will receive, then I will give to you. Because Uttam Bhagavat, he always looking. Everywhere he is Ishtadev. His Ishtadev resides in everywhere. And all the devotees also serve to him according his own mood. Sarva bhutesu japasya bhagavat bhava atmana bhagavati bhavata atmana sa bhagavata uttama. Who is Uttam Bhagavat? He looks everywhere he is Ishtadev. And all the devotees serve to him according to his own mood. Look this. So Uttam Bhagavat is very humble. He will not give mercy. So Madhyam Bhagavat, he can give mercy to us. Madhyam Bhagavat has 4 qualifications. Madhyam Bhagavat के 4 जो है गुण है क्या क्या याद है? ईश्वरे तदेषु बालेषु दिदसु च प्रेम मैत्री कृपापेक्षा ज करोति स मध्यम. Intermediate devotees has 4 qualifications. Ishware prem, he has love and affection with Ishwar, the Lord. Here prem means deep attachment towards Lord. Prema. Maitri means he makes a friendship with the devotee. But yesterday I told, remember to you again. Maitri Yukta Maitri or Seva Yukta Maitri and Kripa Yukta Maitri. Yesterday I discussed it. Prema Maitri Kripa and Madhyam Adhikari, this point is very important. Madhyam Adhikari, this qualification, what the qualification? Kripa, he will give mercy. And Upeksha, he neglects those who are against Guru and Vaishnavas. He neglects. So that means, conclusion, in this context, the conclusion has come only Madhyam Bhagavat will give mercy. But Madhyam Bhakta also 3 stages. Eh? Madhyam, Kanishta, Madhyam, Uttam. Actually, Madhyam Uttam, he will give mercy. Actually, this is the... So, Uttam Bhagavat can give mercy when Uttam Bhagavat, his mood coming down in the stage of Madhyam Uttam, then he will give mercy. Otherwise not. So, now this Bhav, actual, our aim and object, how we will receive the Bhav. Bhav, that is called Kripa Saddha. Suddha Satta, Visatma, Prema Sujjang Svabha, Ruchi Vichitta Smarsana Kidaso, Bhava Uchyate. What is it? The Bhav is coming from the heart of those who are eternal associate of Krishna. Krishna Nitya Parikaron ke हृदय में प्रेम रूपी सूर्य के किरण कण भक्त के हृदय में जब प्रतिफलित होता है तब वह भक्त के हृदय कैसे हो जाता है? कोमलीकृत हो जाता है, अत्यंत द्रवीभूत हो जाता है। तब उस समय जो है संधिनी के ऊपर संबित और राधिनी आकर के प्रकटित हो जाए, तब हृदय में भाव उत्पन्न होता है। ये भाव किस में उत्पन्न हो गया उसके लक्षण भी बताया गया है। इफ द मूड मैनिफेस्टेड in someone's heart, that the 9 external symptoms and 3 internal symptoms. Tantravarta karatang virakti manasannata asabandho samutkanta nama gane sadaruchi asakte tad gunanukkane pritita vasati stale itturjayo surarjata bhavang kure jane. Kantira, his mind is a peaceful mind. Kantira, his mind never disturbed to anything. His mind always calm and quiet. Kantira. Abharta kalaktam, he does not waste it 1 second. His mind, he is always absorbed. How to serve to Krishna, Krishna Katha, Krishna Nam. Kantira abharta kalaktam. Virakti. Virakti means, what does mean virakti? Detachment to the material things. Kantira abharta virakti. Mana sunnata. He does not want any name, fame and reputation. Kantira abharta virakti, mana sunnata. Asa bandho is always hope. क्या बोलते हैं? Only one hope, how will attain to Krishna. Asa bandhu. Samutkantha, always eagerness coming. Ajata pakshaiva matarang khaga tannang jata vasarata khudarta priyang priva busitang. Priyang priva busitang Aravindaksha Digraksha. This Vitrasuri recited these words. So, Kantira Pratham Virakti Mano Sannata Asabandho Samutkantha Nama Gane Sadaruchi. So much taste, chanting holy names, glorify the pastimes of Krishna, Krishna Katha, Nama Gane Sadaruchi. Asitita Gunanukkane, so much deep attachment to glorify the pastimes of Krishna. Nama Gane Sadaruchi, Asitita Gunanukkane, Pritita Vasati Sthale. Pritita Vasati Sthale, he has so much love and affection, the pastime places of Krishna. And Krishna के लीलास्थली के प्रति अतीव जो है आदर स्नेह प्रीति रखते हैं। एक लक्षण, ये 9 लक्षण दिखा रहा है। शांति व्रतकालक्तंग विरक्ति मानसन्नता आशाबंधु समुत्कंठा नाम गाने सदा रुचि असक्ति तद गुणानुक्काने प्रतितर वसते स्थले इत्तर्जो सुरार्जित भावं कुरे जने। और 3 internal symptoms. Bhagavad Prapti Lalasa. First, what did he say? Bhagavad Prapti Lalasa. How to attain to Krishna? Always hankaring, longing. How will attain to Bhagavad Prapti Lalasa? Second, Sauhridda Bhav. Remember, maybe tomorrow we ask you. Sauhridda bhav. He makes the friendship with the devotee of Lord. Sauhridda bhav. And third, anukullamai chesta. All his endeavors, which is favorable for bhakti, Krishna bhakti. Remember, क्या क्या बोला? कौन बोल सकता है? हाथ उठाओ. 3 जो है इंटरनल सिम्टम ऑफ भाव भक्ति. बोला, बोलो.
भगवत प्राप्ति लालसा.
हाँ, जोर से बोलो.
भगवत प्राप्ति लालसा, सौहृदय भाव.
सौहृद भाव
सौहृद
और अनुकूलमयी चेष्टा. है, याद रहेगा कि नहीं? नहीं रहेगा, याद रहेगा सब. है, भगवत प्राप्ति लालसा, अनुकूलमयी चेष्टा और सौहृद भाव. बस ये इधर है. इतना नहीं याद नहीं रख सकते हो? कितने फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री मैथमेटिक्स पढ़ करके आए सब? याद रखो 3. है, इसके बाद साधक चले जाते कहाँ? प्रेमा भक्ति में चले जाते हैं. यदि मरना है तो प्रेम भक्ति में चले जाता है, क्योंकि प्रेम ये शरीर को धारण कर नहीं सकता. Our Goswami explain, and one who attains the prem cannot take the heat of this body. So much. गर्मी आएगा अथवा ठंडी आएगा. प्रेम ठंडी है कि गर्मी है, इसको निर्णय देना बहुत कठिन है. किसके हृदय में प्रेम उत्पन्न हो जाए, वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू गिव कंक्लूजन. व्हाट इज द प्रेम? हम तो प्रेम प्रेम कहते हैं. प्रेम हमारे क्या है? लक्ष्य है. हाउ टू अटेन द प्रेम? बट व्हाट इज द प्रेम? प्रेम क्या वस्तु है? गर्मी है कि ठंडी है? विश्वनाथ और सनातन गोस्वामी पाद वेरी नाइसली एक्सप्लेन इन बृहद भागवतमृतम. सनातन गोस्वामी पाद बृहद भागवतमृत ग्रंथ में जिसके हृदय में प्रेम उत्पन्न हो गया जाता है. अच्छा, प्रेम की जो हम आस्वादन करते हैं, क्या प्रेम ठंडी है कि गर्मी है? मेरे इसको निर्णय देना संभव नहीं है. जिसके हृदय में इतने प्रेम होता, जिसके हृदय में प्रेम उत्पन्न होता है, एक ही साथ में ठंडी और गर्मी इतने उत्पन्न होता है, ये शरीर धारण कर नहीं पाएंगे. जैसे उदाहरण देता हूं, जैसे एक बर्फ खंड है. जस्ट आई गिव एन एग्जाम्पल. इफ यू होल्ड वन द पीस ऑफ आइस, आइस क्या है? ठंडा है ना, कोल्ड है. But if you hold the ice with your finger, after a couple of minutes, you are feeling your fingers are burning, not freeze, burning. आपके मेरा हाथ जल रही है. बोले बर्फ से हाथ जलता है कहीं? किंतु ऐसे फीलिंग होगा. बोले कैसे संभव है? ऐसे लगेगा कि आपके हाथ जल रहा है. बोले प्रेम उसी प्रकार है. जिसके हृदय में प्रेम उत्पन्न हो जाता है, क्या ठंडी है गर्मी है, उदाहरण देना बहुत कठिन है. इफ प्रेम मैनिफेस्टेड वंस हार्ट, वेरी डिफिकल्ट गिव द कंक्लूजन प्रेम इज हॉट और कोल्ड. जस्ट टू गिव दिस एग्जांपल. एंड दैट टाइम बॉडी कैन नॉट टॉलरेट. दे सून ही विल बी लीव दिस बॉडी. प्रेम उत्पन्न होने के साथ कुछ समय के बाद वो शरीर को त्याग दे देंगे, छोड़ देंगे. चलो प्रेम के बाद छोड़ दिया जाए. हम कहाँ तक पहुँच सकते हैं? भाव तक पहुँच सकते हैं. तो जीवित रहना है तो भाव के लिए बस, और मरना है तो प्रेम ले लो. Who will take प्रेम? Raise one hand. No one. Oh, you are. I don't know. You live here. So now coming in this way, just I also discuss these things. But our aim and object, how to attain the prem. Sambandha, Abhidhya and Prayojan. Sambandha means the knowledge of relationship, that is Sambandha. Abhidhya means, what it means Abhidhya? Process. So how to attain our goal. That is called Abhidhya Tattva. Or Prayojan, how to attain to Krishna Prem. Krishna Sambandha Prem Prayojan. Chaitanya Charitamritam, Krishnadas Kaviraj explain Krishna Sambandha. How to make Sambandha, relationship with Guru and Krishna. Sambandha. Then we will attain to Prayojan Tattva. That is called goal. But how to attain the goal? That is the process. So that means same coming again, return back. Shraddha, Sadhusanga, Bhajana Kriya, Anatpuri, Nishta, Ruchi, Asakti. That is called sadhan bhakti. Again I to tell you again, very carefully listen. Sadhan bhakti is 2 limbs again manifest. One is called, क्या बोलते हैं? Klesagni and Subhada. All your class, distress, unhappiness will be destroyed. Or simultaneously, Subhada, all kinds of good qualifications and manifest in your heart. Auspicious. Everything will manifest. Sadhan Bhakti 2 lives manifested. One is called, क्या बोला? Klesagni. All your class, distress, अविद्या, अस्मिता, राग, देश, अभिनिवेश, पाप, बीज, कूट, पाप करने की वासना, even prarabdha, aprabdha, everything will destroy. Because how is powerful? What will say? Madhurya Kadavini, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explain, even one namabhas manifest in your heart. केवल एक नामाभास, the semblance of holy names. That one namabhas destroy all kinds of your klesa. Another namabhas create the sukriti. Then you will get the sadhu sangha. बोले नामाभास, एक नामाभास सारे पाप को नष्ट कर देते हैं. दूसरी नामाभास जो होते हैं उसके आपको साधु संग करा देते हैं. और पुनः पुनः यही नाम करते करते फिर संबंध ज्ञान और फिर प्रेम प्राप्त हो जाता है. इसलिए नाम की महिमा इतना दिखा रहे हैं शास्त्र में. नाम करने की इच्छा नहीं होती, किंतु जब जिस दिन जिहा में नाम उत्पन्न हो जाएगा, now we have no taste to chanting holy names, but when the holy names spontaneously manifest in your tongue, then very difficult to stop the chanting holy names. That time you will be asked to Lord, oh Lord, will you give me 1,000 tongues. जब एक शुद्ध नाम जिहा में उदित हो जाए तब भगवान के निकट आप प्रार्थना करेंगे, अजुतमेव कर्णम. Oh my Lord, you will give me 1,000 millions years. I will listen your sweet pastimes, Krishna Katha. Oh Lord, you will give me 1,000 tongues. I will glorify your pastimes. All I will chant your holy names. Rupa Goswami Bhaj has written, Vidagdha Madhav Natakam, Nam Mahima, glories, Harinam. What did he say? Tunde Tandavinit, Bitunite Tundavani Labdhaya. In the assembly of the devotees, when Rupa Goswami Pad, he recited this verse from Vidagdha Madhav Natakam, then Namacharya Haridas Thakur, he stood up and he was very happy. Oh, I heard the many glories of the holy names, but I have never heard these types of the glories of holy names. जब रायरौंदा आदि बड़े बड़े भक्त के सभा में, चैतन्य महाप्रभु के बड़े बड़े भक्त के सभा में रूप गोस्वामी पाद विदग्ध माधव नाटक की एक श्लोक के नाम की महिमा जब कीर्तन करने लगे, इसी श्लोक के, कौन सा श्लोक? तुंडे तुंडावली वितनुते तुंडावली लब्धे. Then Haridas Thakur, he jumped and dancing and also क्या बगल बजाने लगे, क्या बोलते हैं, playing his what is called armpit. कितना सुंदर नाम की महिमा. हरिदास ठाकुर ने कहा मैं तो नाम की महिमा बहुत श्रवण किया, किंतु नाम कितना सुंदर मधुर है. तुंडे तंडव तुंडावली लब्धे कर्ण कोड़ोभ्याम. उस समय भगवान के प्रार्थना करेंगे, हे प्रभु अजूतमेव, हजारों जो है हमें काम दे दीजिए, भगवान की कथा श्रवण करें. नाम की महिमा. चलो आगे की कथा है. और दूसरी क्या है? नाम ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ ऑस्पिशियसनेस, शुभदा, सत्य, शौच, दया, पवित्र, आस्तिक, ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ गुड क्वालिफिकेशन मैनिफेस्ट इन दैट शुभदा, ट्रूथफुलनेस, all kinds of good qualification what will manifest in life. Because this is called the sadhan bhakti, 2 leaves. Then bhava bhakti, again 2 leaves will manifest. What is that? And sudurlabha and moksha logita krit. Sudurlabha, fair, not so easy to manifest into heart frame. Sudurlabh, sahasra. Maybe you attain mukti, jnanata sulabhada mukti. If you study the Vedas, Shastra, maybe you will attain the mukti liberation. But sastra sadhanakai hari bhakti no prajayati. But thousand lives if you practice bhakti, maybe bhakti, and hari bhakti will not manifest in your heart. But why? Because Krishna, he will not give bhakti to. इजी नॉट गिव भक्ति टू यू. अनेकों जन्म साधन करने पर भी भगवान जल्दी जल्दी भक्ति नहीं देते हैं. भक्ति मुक्ति दिया तारे, प्रेम धन राखन लुकाया. चैतन्य चैतन्य कृष्णदास कविराज गोस्वामी एक्सप्लेन, लॉर्ड विल गिव भक्ति मुक्ति बट यू विल हाइड द प्रेमा भक्ति. बोले व्हाई? कृष्ण ही नोज इफ आई विल गिव भक्ति then वो क्या करेगा? He will control to me.
Lord does not want to be the das.
माँ जसोदा कृष्ण के कंट्रोल कर लिया. माँ जसोदा she control to Krishna with her वात्सल्य भक्ति, वात्सल्य प्रेम. सुबल श्रीदाम, they control to Krishna with their sakha bhav. And gopis, they also control to Krishna with their madhurya prem, paramanubhu. So try to understand this. For this regard, Shastra is saying this. Not so easy to give. But Krishna have to give bound. Bhakti. When you will think, no, I don't want anything. I don't want mukti. I don't want another things. When you want pointed, then Krishna will give. Krishna kahe ama bhaje mage visay sukh. আমি বিজ্ঞই মূর্খে বিষয় কেন দিব, সচরণামৃত দিয়া তারে বিষয় ভুলাইব. চৈতন্য চরিতামৃত. One who performs bhajan and sadhan asks to Krishna, give me material things, wife, children, wealth, money, things. Then Krishna is thinking he is completely or foolish, murkha. Murkha, understand? Foolish. I will give prema bhakti, but when I will give prema bhakti, then he will be automatically what? And forget and to ask all kinds of material things. This thing. कृष्ण कहते हैं मेरा भजन साधन करते हैं, मांग मुझे क्या मांग रहे हैं? संसार के विषय मांग रहे हैं. वो मूर्ख है. कृष्ण कहे अमा भजे मागे विषय सुख, आमी विज्ञ. कृष्ण से आई एम इंटेलिजेंट. So how possible I will give? Mother, she will not give the poison to her son, baby. But baby saying, mother, I want the poison. I will. Mother will not give, no. If you take this poison, you will be die. So mother will not. So in the same way, Krishna says in this verse, Krishna kahe, ama bhaje, mage visay sukh, ami bigga, ei murkhe visay ke na dibo. Sachanamrita diya tare visay bulave. Here Sachanam, then Krishna will give prema bhakti. That means when you want poison, then Krishna will give prema bhakti, then ultimately you forget to enjoy the material sense gratification. So Krishna is very merciful. He will give to everything to us. Pray to Krishna. Nadanang najanang sundaring kavitang vajagadisa kame mama janma janan sri bhavata bhakti ahituki tai. Sikshastak. Mahaprabhu decided, Nadanang najanang sundaring kavitang vajagadisa kame mama janma janmanis bhavata bhakti ahituki. Ahituki bhakti. Dhana jana yaar कविता सुंदरी বলিব না চাহি দেহ সুখ করি জন্মে জন্মে দাও ওহে গৌর হরি আহিতু কি চরণে তো ধন জন আর কবিতা সুন্দরী हे Lord Krishna, I will never ask any wealth, money and other things. Birth after birth, you give me only ahituki bhakti, cosmic bhakti, which manifests in my heart. Janma janam, bas, aur kuch nahi. Dhana jana aar kavita sundari, balivo na chahi, deha sukho kari. Janma janme dao, ye gaura hari, ahituki bhakti, charane tomar. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, only these things. How to? Ahituki bhakti means causeless.
Meaning of Ahituki. Ahituki meaning ki.
Ahituki causeless. मैंने I serve to you. Bhakti means to serve. Bhajate se but I serve to you. No any cause. That is ahituki, causeless. ये तू नहीं रहेगा. भक्ति दो प्रकार. ये हेतु युक्त भक्ति होता है, ahituki भक्ति होता है. I serve you with cause. Or I serve you without any no any condition. This is cause. This is like that. Understand? Ahituki bhakti charanitama. Birth after birth we serve to Krishna. So I am saying because Krishna says in this verse also. If I will give bhakti, then that devotee will control to me. So Krishna will not give you easy to you. But when you want pointed, no, I don't want anything. And Krishna will be very clever. He will be so. दिखाएंगे. अच्छा ये वस्तु ले लो, ये वस्तु ले लो, ये वस्तु ले लो.
All the glittery things.
And many kinds of glittery things he will show to you. Take this, take this. But you say, no, I only want prema bhakti. Which prema bhakti? Braj prema bhakti. Not Vaikuntha Bhakti. Maybe Krishna will say, take this. Vaikuntha Bhakti. Say, no, I don't want. Then Krishna will say, take this. Which Bhakti? Ayodhya Bhakti. Ramchandra. Yeah? Maybe Krishna will show to you what Bhakti? Dwaraka Bhakti. Dwaraka Mahisi. Or Kubja's Mahisi. Kubja Prem. Who will want become to Kubja?
Liberation. Take liberation.
But will know I only want Braj Prema Bhakti. And which Braj Prema Bhakti? Well, Gopi Prem. There are many kinds of gopis also there. How many types of gopis in Braj? 5 types of. क्या क्या? Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Pran Sakhi, Prishta Sakhi, Prana Sakhi, Prishta Sakhi. But he will ask only one Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi or Prana Sakhi. Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi and Prana Sakhi is more. That is called Manjari Bhav. That means your aim and object, how to attain the Manjari Bhav. You have to understand. But why? Even your sadhana dasa, you have to target how to attain Manjari Bhav. Sadhana vina sadhya vastu prapti nahi hai. You are practicing bhajan and sadhana, but what is your aim and object? Gurudev told. And if you don't know, what is your object? साधन दशा में भी तुम्हारे आप पहले लक्ष्य के स्थिर करना पड़ेगा. You have to क्या बोलते हैं लक्ष्य के स्थिर करो and fix your target. यदि आपके लक्ष्य स्थिर नहीं हुआ तो क्या मांगे? कृष्ण आकर के क्या भजन करो? क्या मांगते हो? क्या चाहते हो? क्या तो कुछ करना पड़ेगा. आपकी सखी के दासित्व मुझे प्राप्ति है. पदाब जो स्तव बिना वरदासमेव नन्नाथ कदापि समय कील देवी जाचे सखायत मम नमस्तु नमस्तु नित्यं दस्सायते मम रसस्तु सत्यम. दिस इज आवर टारगेट. पदाब जो स्तव बिना वरदासमेव. हे श्रीमती राधिके, इफ यू प्लीज विथ मी, I don't want the position of Lalita Vishakha. Lalita Vishakha, they are highest. That is called Prana Prishta Sakhi. They are very high place. So far they are saying, here Srimati Radhika, I don't want द पोजीशन ऑफ प्राण प्रशंस के ललिता सा सो सेइंग पदाब्जस्तविना वरदासमेव नन्नात् कदापि समय कील देवी जाचे सखायत मम नमस्तु नमस्तु नित्यम दस्सायत मम रसस्तु रसस्तु सत्यम. You learn this sloka. That means what is your goal? You don't know your goal, so what do you bhajan and sadhana? Huh? If you, Gurudev just give an example, if you want to buy the air ticket, how to buy the air ticket?
No destination.
First you decide your destination. फ्लाइट कहाँ से कहाँ तक जाओगे, कहाँ ना टिकट का हमें टिकट दे दो यार. है बहुत लोग कहते हैं महाराज आप गोपी के बात करते हो. अरे गोपी के बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, तुम्हारे क्या करें आगे एम का डिसाइड करो. है तो मुक्ति चाहिए कि वैकुंठ प्रेम चाहिए. कौन सा प्रेम चाहिए? वैकुंठ प्रेम, अयोध्या, द्वारका, गोलोक वृंदावन. और गोलोक वृंदावन में प्रेम की कितने प्रकार की प्रेम है, इतना ही तो समझो. You have to decide what you want. Understand? देखो जो लोग हमारे गुरुदेव के संग में है, स्पर्श में है, एक छोटी बच्चे को भी पूछो है तुम्हारे संग में तुम लोग के उद्देश्य क्या है, क्या चाहते हो, भजन किस लिए करो. एक छोटी बच्चे भी कह देंगे हमें क्या चाहिए, राधा दर्शन. हम कई बार गुरुदेव के साथ विदेश में भ्रमण किया है. एक छोटी बच्ची भी है, जानते नहीं है राधा दर्शन, थोड़ी कोई जानते. जैसे यहाँ पर कोई बहुत नए लोग बैठे हुए हैं, कहते महाराज क्या पागल के भांति क्या राधा दर्शन क्या बता रहे हैं. किंतु इतना ही तो आपके याद नहीं चाहिए. छोटी बच्चे भी कह दिए, देख गुरुदेव उससे छोटी बच्चे तुम भजन करते हो क्या चाहते हो. देखो छोटी बच्ची कहा दिया ये मुझे राधा दर्शन. बोले कैसे? अरे कम से कम रट लिया तो कोई बात नहीं है. ये आपके भजन करने के पहले आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, गोल को टारगेट को लेना पड़ेगा. इसके बाद भजन करो, फिर आप नीचे आ जाओ. है आदु श्रद्धा, आदु साधु संग, फिर श्रद्धा, भजन क्रिया, अनुस्मृति, निष्ठा, रुचि, आसक्ति, भाव एंड प्रेम. दिस इज द प्रोसेस. दिस इज द प्रोसेस. साधु संग भजन है. You have to go all the past places of Krishna and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Gaura Amar Jesavastane Karala Brahmana Range Sesavastana Herava Ami Pranai Bhakata Sange Suddha Bhakata Charana Renu Bhajana Anukula भक्त सेवा परम सिद्धि प्रेम लतिकार मूल शुद्ध भक्त चरण रेणु. बोलो सब मूल भक्त सेवा परम सिद्धि प्रेम लतिकार मूल. गौरया मार्ग सब स्थाने करल ब्राह्मण रंगे शेषावसान हेरब आमी प्रणय भक्त संगे. हे शुद्ध भक्त चरण रेणु भजन अनुकूल भक्त सेवा परम सिद्धि प्रेम लतिकार मूल. भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर sang this song. Gaura amar jesab sthane karala brahmana range sesab sthana heravo ami pranay bhakata sang. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu performed all the sweet pastimes. I have to go that place with pranay bhakta, premik bhakta. Why? Because premik bhakta will glorify the pastime places. हम प्रणय भक्त प्रेमिक भक्त के साथ वो स्थान पर जाएंगे और उस स्थान के महिमा प्रेमिक भक्त हमें बताएंगे. जैसे हम आज बहुत अतीब सुंदर जो है परिक्रमा थी. देखो आज के परिक्रमा जो है मधुर परिक्रमा है. देखो क्यों आज हमने कहां कहां गए आप बताओ पहले. शायद आप लोग के पता ही नहीं है। पहले एक्चुअल हम लोग यहाँ से निकल करके चले गए, ऋतुद्वीप में चले गए हैं। गुरुदेव वर्णन करते ऋतुद्वीप है, वो ऋतुद्वीप में हम चले गए हैं, जहाँ पर जयदेव गोस्वामी पाद के जो पाठ बड़ी है, जहाँ पर पहले हम लोग विश्राम, उसके आगे एक स्थान था, वो राधा कुंड के इस तरफ है। जैसे हम राधा कुंड में आज अंतिम राधा कुंड हमने समाप्त करके इधर आ गया, फिर राधा कुंड उस तरफ है और इस तरफ ऋतुद्वीप की वो स्थान का कहा जाता है। बोले ये नवद्वीप धाम जो है अभिन्न वृंदावन है, ये नवद्वीप धाम अभिन्न वृंदावन, वृंदावन से कोई भेद नहीं है। वृंदावन भेदे नवद्वीप धामे बांधिब कुटीर खानी। और भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर sang this song, I will make, क्या बोले, कुटीर बांधेंगे, I will make one hut in Navadvip Dham, because Navadvip Dham is non different from Vrindavan. Navadvip Dham, बांधी पर कुटीर रखना। This Navadvip Dham is there. This is called the Vrindavan. Actually, this is called Gupta Vrindavan, hidden Vrindavan, Gupta Vrindavan. All these pastimes of Krishna in Vrindavan, in Navadvip Dham, Gupta Vrindavan. That is called Ritudivya. Artha, why I am saying? Because just we finished our parikrama and Radha Kunda, Kobala. You have heard the meaning of village name? What is the name? What is the meaning of Kobala? Kobala. Who is this?
कौन बाला?
Hey? Girl. Hey? Kobala. Oh, Bala. Bala means girl. Who is this girl? Eh? That means Krishna asked to Madhumangal, eh? So who is this girl? When is Srimati Radhika? That means Krishna indicated there. So for this regard, that name is called Ko-Bala. Ko-Bala, Ko-Bala. Understand? That is Radha Kunda. And we are sitting on the bank of Radha Kunda. And other side of Radha Kunda, that is called Ritudeva. When we perform Navadvip Dham Parikrama and used to go that place, Gurudev very nicely explain about the meaning of Ritu. Ritu means is what? Season. At a time, all kinds of season, they serve Dham. And especially they serve to divine couple of Radha and Krishna. And समस्त ऋतुएं जो है, ऋतु समझते कि नहीं? समस्त season, and all seasons at a time they manifested and served to divine Radha and Krishna. Because when Radha and Krishna they appeared, automatically all the seasons they are coming and served to Radha and Krishna. ये ऋतु इत्तं सरदम Srimad Bhagavatam, Sukadeva Goswami Padul, Ittang Saradam. When the autumn season has come, then automatically all the lotus blossom. शरत काल आने के साथ ही साथ कमल जो है वो अपने आप विकसित हो जाता है. And all kinds of simultaneous, all kinds of seasonal flowers manifest, blossoms. And all at a time, all the seasons they also coming and serve to Vrindavan Dham, Ritudivya. Because all they are hankering how to serve divine couple of Radha and Krishna. बोले अपराजित चित्त जगत में राधा गोविंद के सेवा के लिए वहीं पर समस्त ऋतुएं जो मानो मूर्तिमान होकर के that they manifest in their forms and appeared in Vrindavan and servicing. Because they are saying, Jatkinchit Tinagulma Kikuta Mukang, Boste, Samasthi Tat, Sarbananda Mukunda Degam Lilanu Kulang Puram, Shastri was put in the Misting Tung Jancha, Brahmadvi Saspriyeno, Modiyangta Vandate. Raghunath Das Goswami, in his beloved, what is it called? Stabhavali Grantha, Raj Stabhavali Grantha, he very clearly explained these words. In Vrindavan, and all the living entities, they are servicing to divine Radha and Krishna. Even the insects, even the spider, snake, tiger, lion, trees, birds, all they are, and even the grasses, also they are servicing to divine Radha and Krishna. But how possible? Because all they are transcendental. बोले वृंदावन में जितने भी प्राणी हैं, वो समस्त क्या है? चिन्मय है, और वो सब राधा गोविंद के सेवा में लगे हुए सब। बोले क्या सेवा करती है? बोले राधा कृष्ण के कैसे मिलन हो। कभी कभी विरह हो जाते हैं ना, विरह में सेवा नहीं होती, इसलिए राधा गोविंद के मिलन के लिए समस्त वृंदावन के जितने भी कीड़े मकड़े से लेकर के, बिच्छू से लेकर के, बिच्छू समझते कि नहीं? स्कॉर्पियन, इवन द स्पाइडर, मकड़ी और मकड़ा, all the plants and trees, even in the snake, they also serving to Radha and Krishna. How they meet together? Just to give an example, once Radha and Krishna, they are meeting together on the bank of Radha Kunda. Jasva kadapi vasananchal kilanatta dhanna dhannati dhanna pavanena kitartamani jagendra durgam gati madhusudana hopi tassastu namo visabhanu bhuvo diso opi. Very nice, beautiful this sloka. Jassa kadapi vasananchal kilanatta dhannati dhanna pavanena kitartamani jagendra Goti Visabhanu. Very difficult to attain the particular foot dust of Srimati Radhika. Even Brahma, Shiva, Narada, they are all there hankering how to attain the particular dust of Srimati Radhika. देखो ब्रह्मा शिव नारद वो लोग भी इतने उत्कंठित होते हैं राधा जी के चरण धूलि की एक धूल कणा को प्राप्ति करने के लिए। देखो जस्सा कदापि वसंतन कलनत्त धन्नादि धन्नो पवनन कितार्थ मानी जगिंद्र दुर्गम गति मधुसूदनोपि तस्सास्तुनो विश्वभानु भुवो दिशोपि। Prabhupada Saraswati very humble. He is saying, I pay my obeisance that direction where Srimati Radhika is standing. And the fragrance, the body of Srimati Radhika blowing the fire, air. And Krishna glorified. Hey, yaar, Vayu Pavan Dev, Dhannadi Dhanna, your life is successful, you are very fortunate. Because Srimati Radhika, now she is very angry with me. मैंने राधा जी मान कर लिया. राधा जी, she became very angry. Radha ji did man. So I cannot meet with Srimati Radhika. But, hey Pavan Dev, yaar, you are, क्या बोलते हैं? Blowing. The sweet fragrance from the cloth of Srimati Radhika. Or you are playing on the cloth of Srimati Radhika. This is saying, Dhannadi Dhanna Pavanana Kitartha Mani Jagendra Durgam Gati Madhusudana Opi Tassastano Visabhanu Bhuvo Disa. So now coming with this, Jasta you also come in the contest. Srimati Radhika she did man. Srimati Radhika she left to Krishna. And then Srimati Radhika, after a couple of days thinking, I have to return back my home. Srimati Radhika, she left that place and going to her home. Then Krishna played the flute. Well, because Krishna's flute is very powerful. Why Gurudev told, why Krishna hold the flute? Only to break the man of the gopis, especially Srimati Radhika. Nisamma Gitam Tadananga Bardham Rajastriyo. When Krishna played the flute, then the all gopis they gave up all their household duties and running towards Krishna. So for this regard, Krishna, he holds the flute in Vrindavan. Krishna Vrindavan में बंसी इसलिए धारण करते हैं गोपियों की पुकारने के लिए, आह्वान करने के लिए और गोपियों की मान दूर करने के लिए. कृष्ण बंसी बजाया किंतु राधा जी के मान नहीं टूटा. कृष्ण प्लेड द फ्लूट but Srimati Radhika's man not break. Then Krishna remember to Yoga Maya. Yogamaya Upasana. Krishna, he performs all his Leela with his Yogamaya. Then Yogamaya, she manifested in the form of one black serpent. And you know, in Braj, when you go walk in the Braj, that place is very, what is called? Narrow place. जिसको कहा जाता है पगडंडी कहा जाता है. ब्रज के छोटे छोटे रास्ते के कहते हैं पगडंडी कहा जाता है. Only one person can go, another person cannot come. And two sides also, so much thorns. ब्रज की रास्ता में इतना छोटी सी होती है और दोनों तरफ जो है कांटे की झाड़ी होते हैं. ना इधर जा सकते हैं उधर से. So now Yogamaya is manifested in the form of black serpent, snake, Krishna Sarpa, and raise his hood and making the sound hiss, hiss, hiss. And Srimati Radhika cannot go front and cannot go also left side or right side. Srimati Radhika have to return back. Then Krishna, then Srimati Radhika she uttered, Krishna, Krishna Mahabhavu, Raksha Mam, Raksha Mam. Then Srimati Radhika she afraid and returned back. And she embraced to Krishna. Hey Krishna, you protect me. Look, man automatically what? Disappear. Gone. So see, Jat Kinchit Bahu Chokho, Jat Kinchit Tinaguluma Kikata Mukang Goste Samasitat Sarvananda Mukunda Daitam Lilanukulang Param Sastra Spudunda Nastintam Jan Chaya. So many lilas in there. Radha Kunda means is non-different Sumasimataka. All kinds of sweet pastimes manifested on the bank of Radha Kunda. Only those who are the parties of Srimati Radhika, they can go Radha Kunda. Everybody cannot go. Understand? Even Chandravali's party cannot go Radha Kunda. Only Srimati Radhika's and her Sakhis can go. So you are very lucky. I think all you are the Srimati Radhika's party. Other your person. You don't know, but is it true? And when you do bhajan and sadhan, when your last anger, everything will disappear and you realize your transcendental control, then you realize. And you receive the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Main thing is this. So Radha Kunda, see we have coming from, where you have come from? Radha Kunda. Bolo Radha Kunda ki jai. So you are very so lucky. So today you went where? Kogala Radha Kunda. So that means all you are the parties of Srimati. Bolo Radhe Radhe Radhe. Bolo Radha Rani ki jai. Bhut Premanande. Okay, now go. अरे प्रसाद कहाँ गया? ओए everybody come take prasadam. थोड़ी सी प्रसाद और प्रसाद कहाँ है? ओए वृंदावन पालिका. Okay, we'll take and go. Take one, go on.
Você merece, eu vou deixar chegar da mãozinha dele, ele que vai dar.
The favorite sweet.